This is the mini body portable speaker. Kit sound. I got this for free. It's a keychain speaker. First I thought it's a Bluetooth, but I think it's wired. So let's take it apart. Let's unbox it and see if it's any good. This is the speaker itself. It has on-off switch and with the indicator light. And micro USB for charging, and this is the audio jack. You can see the speaker inside. Micro USB cable and some information. I don't think it's worth scanning, so I just gonna leave it like this so you can have a read if you want. Made in China. It looks like it's been distributed in the UK. And that's everything. Here we have different languages. So let's give it a try first, since I think it's charged already. Yeah, it's louder than the phone, so it's not bad. Let's take it apart and see what's inside. The speaker, driver, and we have circuit board and a rechargeable battery here in the back. I'm not gonna take it out, it's been glued. Not worth. Yeah, so this is it. That's the inside. Unfortunately we cannot see the chip, which is on the other side, but it's not a big deal. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Looks like this is audio output for headphone. So I'm not sure if it's stereo or not. Maybe we need to give this a try. Yeah, so it's stereo. I tested it with the headphone. You can, if you connect this, you still hear the sound here coming from the speaker, but also you got stereo output here. You can put it closer to the mic. I'm not sure if the microphones is, but you still can hear this. Yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching.